Welcome back, students. From today onwards, we are going to discuss a very new topic which is very new for you. You have never studied this topic in 4th standard. From Maths Part 2 textbook, Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factors. So this is a topic we are going to study from today onwards. So in this topic, you will learn about, you will understand what is multiple and what are called factors. So let's first discuss about multiples. So multiple means any number multiplied by whole number is equal to the multiple. So again I am repeating, any number multiplied by whole number gives the multiple of that number. For example, here number is 2. I have taken number 2. So you can see here 2 multiplied by 1, product is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, product is 4. 2 multiplied by 3, product is 6. 2 multiplied by 4, product is 8. In same way, we can multiply 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. 2 multiplied by 8, 16. So like that it goes on running, goes on continuously. So here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. All these are the multiples of 2. So multiples are infinite. They never end. They goes on continuously next number. So keep in mind, multiples never ends. They are infinite. So here 2, 4, 6, whatever we have find out, all are the multiples of 2. One more thing you have to keep in mind, here these are multiples and these are the factors of 2. Here 2 and 2 are the factors of 4. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So these are the factors of this number. So now let's, one more example we'll take. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 20. Likewise, it is continuously going on. So with these two examples, we conclude, I think you understand how multiple can be find out. One more thing you have to keep in mind, whatever table that you know, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, all are the multiple of that number. So in table 3, all are the multiple of 3. In table 5, all are the multiple of 5. In table 6, all are the multiple of 6. So now let's discuss about the factors. So what is factor? Any number, you can take any number which is exactly divisible by the particular numbers are called factors of that number. For example, let's number be 12. So here 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So this number 12 is exactly divisible by this number. So here I have taken 12, any number that is a 12 which is exactly divisible by a number. So these are the numbers, particular numbers which divide the 12 exactly. That means the remainder is 0. We find out by practical. So 12 divided by 1. 1, 12 are 12. So remainder is here 0. One more example we can see, take 12 divided by 2. So 2, 6 are 12. So here also remainder is 0. Or we can take 12 divided by 6. 6 to the 12. So remainder is 0. One more example we can take 12 divided by 3. 3, 4 are 12. So remainder is 0. So in all example you can see here in all example remainder is 0. That means this 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 6, 3 and 4. So all these are the factors of 12. So we can write factors of 12 is equal to 1 is a factor. And keep in mind, 1 is a factor of all number. Whatever number you got, find out. All number is a factor of 1. So 1 is a number of all. 1 is a factor, number of all factor. Then number itself. For example, we have taken here the number is 12. So this 12 is itself a factor of that number. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 12. All are the factors of 12, and these factors are finite. Here multiples are infinite. They goes on, but here factors are particular number. They are finite. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. So multiples are infinite, factors are finite. One more, we can conclude a pair of number. You can see here 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 6, 3 and 4. A pair of number which gives the same product. Here is a pair of number which gives the same product. Here pair of number gives the same product. So pair of number which give the same product are called as the factor of that number. So with this we have concluded the introductory part of the topic, that is be my multiple, I will be your factor. In this topic today we discuss about what are called multiples and what are called factors. Okay, so here I will give you a very short exercise homework for you. Write first 5 multiples of 6, 9, 12 and 15. So here very small homework for you. You have to write the name of the topic on your maths notebook and then solve this. Write first 5 multiples of 6, 9, 12 and 50. So with this I conclude today's topic. Thank you.